WiSH is a mentorship program by Texas Instruments. It empowers women engineers to explore the exciting world of semiconductors and hardware through hands-on learning and expert guidance.
Our program has two phases. In the first, virtual sessions immerse you in technical challenges, collaborative problem solving, and real-world applications of engineering concepts.
The virtual sessions were incredible.
We worked together on challenges, explored creative solutions, and built a foundation of concepts that felt real and exciting.
In the final week, you will join us at our Bangalore campus. Here, hands-on projects and design thinking sessions bring your learnings to life in a practical and innovative way.
Being in the lab was inspiring.
Experimenting with circuits, asking questions, and turning ideas into solutions made me realize how much I could do.
What makes WiSH unique is how it opens doors to diverse roles in the semiconductor industry, from design to development, testing and research. The possibilities are endless and you just need to explore them.
I felt truly supported being part of a team that supports every ideas of yours and value your opinions.
This program is more than just learning. It's about discovery and collaboration.
Each session helps you grow and understand your true potential in the industry of semiconductors.
And the mentors are here to guide you in every step of the way.
Every session, whether online or in the lab, helped me see the endless possibilities available to the women engineers.
So this whole journey would have been very colorless and incomplete had the mentors not supported us and had not been this humble. They were not only humble, they were not only knowledgeable, but they had actually walked us through the entire journey. I think I've learned much more, not only in my professional life, but also in my personal life.
So if you're ready to explore, innovate, and shape the future of technology, WiSH is your first step. Join us and discover how far your passion for engineering can take you.